Good morning. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Are you okay today? I hope so. Okay, today for basic competence 3.7, I will convey you about the context. I know this is not familiar again with you. You have studied the context in junior high school, but in senior high school we will study about history text. Before understand about the context, we must know about kompetensi dasar. Kompetensi dasar di sini 3.7 dan 3.7 itu tentang teknik psikomotor atau keterampilan. 3.7 membedakan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, unsur kebahasaan, beberapa penulisan dengan memberi dan informasi terkait peristiwa bersejarah. 4.7 Leksikon peristiwa bersejarah mengangkat makna sejarah kontekstual terkait fungsi sosial, struktur teks, unsur kebahasaan teks, lisan menulis terkait peristiwa bersejarah, menyusun teks lisan dan tulis pendek sederhana terkait peristiwa bersejarah dengan memperhatikan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, unsur kebahasaan secara benar. Back to our message. What is the context? We must know about learning football. Tujuan kedua. 1. Meringkas materi secara rajin dan cermat. 2. Menentukan pertanyaan leksikon secara mandiri dan intuitif. Menyusun leksikon pendek teks sejarah dengan cermat dan teliti. 4. Membuat kerajinan penulis dengan cerita bersejarah. The purpose of research text to recall experience. Recon text is a text that's telling the reader about experience, story, action, or activity. Jadi menceritakan tentang pengalaman, cerita, tindakan, atau kegiatan. We are talking about the structure of the text. Jadi dalam sebuah teks itu pasti ada susunan teks ya, untuk menentukan mana yang masuk orientation, event, dan reorientation. Orientation di sini adalah menceritakan siapa, kapan, dan di mana dalam sebuah teks dalam setiap paragraf. Event di sini adalah urutan kejadian, berapa banyak kejadian, bisa 1, 2, dan sebagainya. Reorientation yaitu tentang komen penulis atau personal tentang kejadian atau apa yang terjadi di akhirnya. Ini features atau ciri-ciri kebahasaan. Di sini ada introduction, personal, participant, I, my, or group, maybe I and my, me or my family, or etc. More than one people. Using linking verb yaitu kata penghubung antara subjek dengan objek, ya, bisa menggunakan to be, was, were, atau bisa menggunakan sense verb, kata kerja perasaan seperti saw, hear, think, consider, dan sebagainya. Using chronological connection, menggunakan kata penghubung seperti then, first, because, second, next, and etc. Using action verb, menggunakan kata kerja because recon text used in simple past time, so we can use verb to. I have ever given you about irregular verb or regular verb, ya. We can take from verb to, like as, look, when, change, and etc. Okay, and use simple past tense, past continuous, past perfect, ya. This condition of the sentence in recon text use past tense condition. After understand about what is recontext, what is the purpose, structure text, and language features, we must understand kinds of recontext. So now what is the text form? Ya, jenis dari recontext. The first, personal recon, the usually retell and even the narrator was personally involved in. Jadi tentang pengalaman penulis. Factual recon, recalling incident like as biography, history text, and imaginative recontext, writing an imaginary role and giving detail of event. Jadi membayangkan sebuah sesuatu yang sedang imaginatif, khayalan. A day in life of Philip. Jadi seolah-olah ya, it's just imaginative. Example of history of the Okay, you can see an example of history text because in senior expo we will study about history text, yes, factual text, yeah, other biography we study about history text. The Proclamation of Indonesia Independence, ya, proklamasi kemerdekaan Indonesia. We can see from the text, I cannot to translate one by one, you understand, because I just explained you about the structure of the text, like as the first paragraph talking about orientation, because in that you can find who, when, and where, and even one, even second paragraph, that paragraph even two. Next, okay, fourth paragraph talking even 3, and fifth paragraph even 4, the last talking about reorientation because the common writer or end of the story. Example of history text about the post-independence guerrilla war of Indonesia. You can see several the structure text or generic track of this text. Maybe we can find orientation even until 4 and the close by reorientation. This is example about Sukarno, president, yeah, the first president, and then pokok-pokok guerrilla independence day, like that. I have given example before. Okay, I think enough for context today. I have explained you several cases, and then you can, if you have a problem with the context you didn't understand, you can ask for me. Thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Stay good motivation. Thank you.